So this is what the roads and the sidewalks look like before the storm. These are the back roads. Pretty dry. Sidewalks are very, very icy. So at this time last year, this parking lot over here had a mountain of snow in it. And this year, not so much. In fact, the grass is turning green. Funny thing about snowstorms, unlike a thunderstorm, you can't really see them coming. They just kind of gradually roll in. And this one is approximately 500 kilometers wide. It currently has an epicenter at Medicine Hat. So we are at kilometer number 1 right now. It's just beginning. Well, it's starting to storm.